Have you ever tried hanging a shelf, only to end up feeling like you've built an Olympic slide for your knickknacks? Meet the Huepar Leveling Brightness Magnetic HX04CG, your secret weapon against crooked chaos. This bad boy isn't your granddad's bubble level. It's got a sleek digital LED display with adjustable brightness so your peepers can read it, whether you're in a dim workshop or on sunlit scaffolding. Forget wrestling with clunky clamps. The magic magnet base snaps onto any metallic surface, giving you hands-free stability for more high fives, less frustration. And accuracy? It's NASA-level precise. Dual axis. Digital precision accurate to 0.1 degree. It's more accurate than a weather forecast. You'll install like a pro every time. Compact and light, it's a sidekick you can trust to handle the rough and tumble of any project. Tackling your DIY dilemmas from the garage to the garden. Want to save the day with flawless alignment? Click the link in the description to get your Huepar HX04CG now, and let's level up those projects.